How to fix Quotex account login not working. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the issue if you're unable to log into your Quotex account. If you're facing login problems, incorrect credentials, or other issues, this video is here to help. So let's get started. Step 1 is to make sure your internet connection is stable. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if there's any difference. Restart your router if needed. Next step is to double check your email address and password. Make sure the caps lock is turned off as password are case sensitive. And if you've forgotten your password, simply tap on forgot password to reset it. If you're using a browser, try clearing the cache and cookies. If the issue persists, try accessing your account from a different browser like Firefox, Safari, or any alternative. You can also try logging in from the Quotex mobile app if you haven't already. Next, if you have VPN enabled, simply disable it. You can simply search for VPN, and if VPN is turned on is connected, you need to simply disable it temporarily. And that's how you fix the Quotex account login issue.